Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can export our CapCut video. Let's get started. Here I have imported my video to CapCut and we're going to export this video. So the first thing we're going to do is click on this button to select the resolution of the video, and we can choose either 480p or we can choose 720p or even 1080p, and we can choose it as we like. And we have to drag this button, this circle. If we want to change the resolution, we can go right or we can go left, and it's up to you. And for me, I'm just going to select 720p, and we can also choose the frame rate right here, and we can also select the cut rate, and we can choose it as we want. And after we're done, we can click on this button to export this video. But we can also save or export this video as GIF. We can simply click on GIF option right here and choose the resolution. And for me, I'm just going to choose video. So just click on the video, and after that, we can click on this button to export the video. Alright, and click on save to device. Alright guys, and now the video is being exported, and we have to wait until the process finished. Okay guys, this video has been saved to our device, and that's how we can export our video in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.